In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Good evening, everyone. Let's trade on the Euro USD. Here, market after a long downtrend. Now it is start in a minor uptrend, and we have a level here. So price will reject from this level, and we have another level which will be this one, and the another level will be above this level, this one. So let's where we are. This entry is closing here. This is the first level. It will be the green candle. The price will move in up direction. It is possible. Why it will move in up direction? You know that the price have a gap from this closing price to this opening price, and mostly 90% chances when there is a gap, the next candle will be the green candle, and sometimes it can be the red candle, but that is only 10% chances, not the 90% chances. So here 90% chances it must be the green, and there I place the trade here. Let's see, it is a red or above my entry point, whatever. So that is my trade. See what the candles, how much that was a big candle and how it rejected back, and at the end what the candle gave you the shape. So this will be one type of doji. It's not a green red candle, it's a one kind of doji. If you see on the MT4 chart, you will find that will be the doji. So here there is a very weak red candle. We won this trade, and now we are going to identify the another trade. So now we saw a big rejection at the lower side. The buyers are very strong here, and they give us an idea that we are moving in an up direction, but this rejection from the seller side, it have a meaning. One time it was rejected, then buyers entered again, they prove. Now this time we will see what's the reaction of the rejection from this area. Is there any reaction or not? If there is no reaction, then we will enter the trade. So here this candle will be the red one. Oh, it's a $2. Why? This candle will be the red one. If I have a time, I will place the again trade. After closing of this candle, I will give you the reason why this will be the red candle. What the reason why I selected a red candle with the confidence. Let's see. In the classes, in the lectures, always I'm telling that we have a level. The candles is trying to move in a up direction. The price is moving in up direction. So here I will give you some examples. See all these examples, and you will understand when we find this condition, then how we can trade. So the green candle closes but broke the level. A green candle closes with a gap but directly rejected from the resistance level. A green candle have a too much gap, directly rejected from this resistance level. A green candle which have a too much gap, but it's a breakout of the wick, not the body. See, in this area it is showing that the level is weak, it is showing the level is weak but closed under the resistance without any gap, it means that the next price, it is possible it can move down. This is showing that the resistance level is more stronger than this price movement. This price movement is weak as compared to this level. When you find that it touches the level and rejected back, whatever the gap is there, even this one, the price will move down. With a confidence, how I entered this trade, that I know this rule that if this resistance is touch and bounce back, the next candle will be the red. But if it break and then there is a gap, buyers will fill this gap. In this area, I found that these levels, these rejections have a power. From these rejections, price move down and then price move up. But this is a rejection. So this rejection, at the same level, I found a strong rejection from the level, directly from the level. I understood the next level will be the red. I entered for the trade. This is the tip. On the support and resistance, how we can identify which will be the reversal, where there is a gap between the support and resistance, that how we can understand which gap will be reverse back and which gap will be continue. This is the explanation of this trade. And now then, explanation of this trade. Yesterday in the gap video, I explained that if you find any gap between the two candles, then 90% follow the previous candle color. The next candle will move up. After this candle, when it moved down, I found there is a closing price and the opening price gap. Understood that 90% chances market will continue in an up direction. Even there was a strong sharp movement in a downward, I place a trade without thinking, and this candle moved down, it crosses below here, even this candle will reverse back, and then I won this trade. What's the reason? A gap. Mostly follow the gap. When you find the gap and then find a perfect entry. If there is a gap, find the perfect entry here, here, anywhere you can enter. For example, this is a gap which is the previous candle green. It will move up. It's a closing, it's an opening. It's a closing, it's an opening. Find the gap between the closing and the opening price and follow the same candle. 90% it will continue, 10% it will not continue. This gap you will understand within the first 2 seconds. So when the price will open, wait 2 seconds to 3 seconds and observe that there is a gap down or up, then follow the previous candle color and you will win the trade. Thank you so much for this one.